Maulana Jalaluddin Rumi Rahmatullah Alai was asked these questions by one of his disciples, and the answers are here in front of you. Well, he asked, what is poison? So Rumi Rahmatullah Alai said, anything which is more than our necessity. Yes, my dear friends, anything which is more than our necessity is poison. It may be power, wealth, hunger, ego, greed, laziness, love, ambition, hate, or anything. So, for that matter. So, anything which is more than our necessity is poison. So, now let's get to the next question, that is fear. So, what is fear? Non acceptance of uncertainty. Yes, life is full of uncertainties. So, non acceptance of that uncertainty is our fear. When we accept that uncertainty, it becomes adventure. Move on to the next question, that is, what is envy? So, non acceptance of good in others. Yes, when we don't accept good in others, but when we accept that good, it becomes inspiration. Yes, so envy is non acceptance of good in others, and when we accept that good, it becomes our inspiration. Now, let's move on to the next question, what is anger? So, non acceptance of things which are beyond our control, and when we accept that, it becomes tolerance, or the better word would be acceptance. So, friends, let's move on to the next question, that is, what is hatred? So, non-acceptance of person as he is. Yes. So, the non-acceptance of person as he is, that is hatred. And when we accept that person unconditionally, it becomes love. Like a mother loves her kids. Yes, my friends, let me add a story here which will emphasize the same point. Well, an aging master grew tired of his apprentice's complaints. One morning he sent him to get some salt. When the apprentice returned, the master told him to mix a handful of salt in a glass of water and then drink it. How does it taste? The master asked. Bitter, said the apprentice. The master chuckled and then asked the young man to take the same handful of salt and put it in the lake. The two walked in silence to the nearby lake. And once the apprentice swilled his handful of salt in the water, the old man said, now drink from the lake. As the water dripped down the young man's chin, the master asked once again, how does it taste? Fresh, remarked the apprentice. Do you taste the salt? Asked the master. No, said the young man. At this, the master sat beside this serious young man and explained softly, the pain of life is pure salt, no more, no less. The amount of pain in life remains exactly the same. However, the amount of bitterness we taste depends on the container we put in. So, when you are in pain, the only thing you can do is to enlarge your sense of things. Stop being a glass and become a lake. Become an ocean like the Sufi saints. Yes, my dear friends, it is the acceptance of person as he is with all his flaws and accepting that person unconditionally, that same thing becomes love. Why just be the mother to your kids? Sufism says, be the same mother, show the same love to everyone and to every creation. And does this make any sense? Then you must explore Sufism and discover the lives of saints, Sufi saints.